Our top story tonight at 6, the family and legal team representing Stephen Fossett, a man who died at the Bibb County Jail in May of last year, held a special event last night on what would have been his 43rd birthday.
His family spoke about the investigation into his death. 41 NBC's Bre'Anna Sheffield reports.
The legal team of Stephen Fossett says they have reviewed the jail footage of what happened on May 25, 2024, the day Stephen Fossett was tased inside the Bibb County Jail that ultimately led to his death.
Mr. Fossett was in a dorm area. He was, he looked as though he was confused, perhaps in medical distress, but at the very least, he was having some mental health issues, sitting in a shower area without the shower on, and he was unattended for a number of minutes.
That was civil rights attorney Malawu Davis. He says Foster should have been placed in a mental health facility to be stabilized after what he says caused a mental health issue Foster was experiencing that day.
A number of detention officers give chase, they box him in, and then they just pounce on him. And when I say pounce on him, I mean he was all of 115, 120 pounds. All of these officers began to tase and put their full body weight on him.
Davis says Fossett was then tased, cuffed, and left unattended.
And he sat literally in front of their eyes, and it looked as though he expired. And then all of a sudden, you see people getting off of computers and stopping their chit-chatting conversation and re-engage to try to perform life-saving maneuvers, which clearly, by that time, it was too late.
According to a report from the Bibb County Sheriff's Office, Fossett became combative with medical staff and deputies who were trying to treat him while he was experiencing a medical issue. They say that's when a taser was used to control him, but it had no effect. The report goes to say he was then restrained and taken to a medical facility where he later died. The GBI ruled his death a homicide nearly 4 months later. Fossett's mother, Paula Platt, says she will forever fight for her son.
Stephen does matter, and he does have a family that loves him dearly, and we do want justice for him.
In Macon, Bre'Anna Sheffield, 41 NBC News.
And the Sheriff's Office has yet to release the jail footage. 41 NBC has not been able to verify the contents, but we have reached out to the Sheriff's Office for a statement. We have not heard back.